welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and if you're new here, welcome. I have another product unboxing or haul, and like I said in the previous video, I ordered a lot of this stuff at the same time, but it's just kind of coming in slowly but surely. But I wanted to go ahead and bring this to you while I had it. It just came in, actually it came in a box like bag like this, but there was another bag on top of this one that actually had my address and everything on it. So I already took it out, then I opened it up and it was in this. So I'm taking it out, and then it's in this. So I will say that this particular company took a lot of care in packaging their products so that it doesn't leak and so forth. So that is a good thing. So let me show you these products. These are products that I have heard of before but never really used, and then I've been hearing about them more and more lately, especially from Essence of Coils. So shout out to Essence of Coils. She swears by this brand, and it is Annabelle's Perfect Blend. So because she talked about it so much, I said let me pick up some of these products and just see what I like about them. So I do want to let you know that this is what my packaging looks like. I believe hers looked a little bit different, but I also believe it depends on what you purchase as well. So what I got in this particular order was, I got the Annabelle's Green Tea, Milk, and Honey Moisturizing Mask. So it looks like this, and all of these are taped up around here. So let me see if I can pull this off just to kind of give you a sense of what it smells like and looks like. So man, that is filled to the tip top. Can you see that? Wow. Nice light scent. You can smell a little bit of green tea, but it's not real powerful like some green tea is. And it has a little bit of a sweet scent, which is probably the honey. But I mean, it is a very creamy, whipped consistency. And I mean, it's filled to the brim. So I have that for a mask. Then I also picked up the Annabelle's Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This says it's with white pepper lavender. Looks like this is also sealed. I mean, they have this stuff taped, so nothing is coming off. No tops are coming off or anything on this. Let me see if I can get this one open. I might need to find some scissors for this one. Let's see. I'm telling you, I'm impressed so far, considering that they took care in their packaging to make sure that your stuff didn't leak, that it got to you in one piece. So that's always a good thing, because I have had products leak before, and that's not a fun feeling. And then you got to contact the company. Hopefully they'll get back with you. Then they have to resend you out a new product and so forth. So the fact that they really took care to tape this stuff up is nice. Now, as far as getting it open is another story. Here we go. I think I got it here. So again, this is a leave-in conditioner. The mask was 8 ounces. This is 8 ounces as well. Man, it's also filled to the brim. You see that? It's almost getting ready to come out. And it is a very little hint of pepper and lavender in it. Oh, it's filled to about right there. So once I touched it, it kind of went down. Very light and creamy. It feels like a really light leave-in. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's pretty thin. It's a pretty thin light leave-in. So hopefully this will soak into my hair fairly easily. So I picked that up. So I have a mask, a leave-in, and then last but not least, I picked up their styling Custard. It's the pineapple and Capuacu. Found out how to pronounce that. I've been seeing it in a lot of products, and I was like, Capuacu is what I was saying, I think, but it's actually Capuacu, and I think I was saying I can't remember what I was saying, but I believe you pronounce it Capuacu.
Guys, it's actually called Capuacu. I know I sounded very sure of how I was pronouncing it, but I was pronouncing it incorrectly. It's actually Capuacu.
So let's see what is also 8 ounces. So we're gonna see what it's like. So it looks like it has pineapple in it. Wow, filled to the brim. And it smells like pineapple. So this is a custard. It is very much a cream. It's not your normal custard that you're used to. That's kind of between a cream and a gel. This actually feels like a cream, and let me see what you can use it for. It just says apply to hair prior to styling, so, and use as often as needed. So to me, it seems like more like a cream. You probably could do twist downs with it, use it on your hair before you apply a gel for a wash and go. Just looking at the ingredients, I don't think it would be something that I would use as a one product wash and go. I don't know that it would have the hold for that, but I definitely want to try this styling custard. So yeah, these are the 3 things that I picked up. I'm excited to try them because I'm telling you, Essence of Coils talks about these products, and she uses them all the time, and she just says they are wonderful in her hair. They, you know, give her fabulous results. So I can't wait to try these. So yeah, I just wanted to open up this package for you guys, do this product opening, and let you know what I picked up. I still have some more things coming in. I think I still have some Honey's Handmade coming in, and I'm not sure what else, but who knows what else I have coming. But it's things that I needed. I did need a new leave-in and things of that sort. So I wanted to try some new products. I have cleaned out my shelf quite a bit, and I do have another empties video coming soon to you as well to show that I've been using up my stash. So have any of you tried Annabelle's Perfect Blend? If you have, let me know what you picked up. Let me know how you like it, how you use the products. So again, I got the mask, I got a custard, and I got a leave-in. So yeah, if you've tried any of these products, let me know how you feel about them in the comment section below, and how long you've been using them, how you style your hair. Do you do wash and goes? What's good for a wash and go? You guys know I love wash and goes, but I'm also getting used to my twist outs, which is what this is. This is actually, what's that on? I think I got some product in my hair. It's a 3-day-old twist out using the Uniqurl 4-in-1 styler. I believe that video is on my channel already. If it's not, it'll probably coming up shortly, but if it is, I'll try to link it here. I'm not sure what order I'm going to put these things in at the moment. Oh guys, just so you know, this is not a hospital band. I want to bring that to you. I don't want people thinking, was she in the hospital? No, this is a weekend pass. AAU basketball. You know, my son is a baller. He plays basketball and football, so we had a basketball tournament this particular weekend. This is a weekend pass, and I just keep it on. So I just came from a game, so I just want to let you know that. But so yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.